Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing a just comfortable sit down. I'm literally like have my feet up on the desk. We're just gonna chill. But today we are going to be doing just a chill, sit down, chit chat, life update video. There has been a lot going on. I've been getting a whole lot of questions. The main thing that we're going to be talking about is where are my vlogs? Why haven't I uploaded a vlog? It has been quite a while since I've uploaded one of my regular vlogs. For a while there, I was doing really good with uploading consistent vlogs and getting lots of long form content out for you guys, and that kind of just abruptly stopped, and we're going to be discussing why, what's been going on in my life. There has been quite a lot. 2021 for me so far has been very busy. It has been very good, but it has been very busy. It has been very hectic. So for those of you who maybe don't know, back in April of this year, I was unfortunately hacked. It was kind of my fault why I got hacked, because I wasn't paying attention, I wasn't being smart, and my Google AdSense account attached to my YouTube channel was hacked. And Google AdSense is how YouTubers make their money. There are many different forms of ways that YouTubers can make money. There's affiliate links, there's sponsorships, there's Google AdSense, which a majority of YouTubers have. For me, my AdSense and my YouTube channel was a great deal of my income. I don't just do YouTube as a job. I have two jobs. I am a full-time dog groomer and I do YouTube part-time. Having that happen in the spring was very traumatizing for me. It took a very big hit on my mental health. I was not doing well. All of that was going on. It was very stressful. It was very scary. About a month later, I was able to gain access to my account again, and everything has been fine since. And while this whole hacking situation was going on, I needed to make sure that I could continue to support myself financially. I have been supporting myself financially since I've been on my own since I was 17, so it's been a long time that I needed to make sure that, I could cover all my bases and make sure that I wasn't going to go into debt. I needed to make sure that I could still pay my bills. So I immediately went to my boss and asked for more hours at work, because originally, before I got hacked, I was working as a part-time dog groomer and part-time YouTuber. And when I got hacked, I immediately asked for more hours because I just needed to make sure that my ass was going to be covered. So that happened. I went from 3 days a week to 4 days a week working as a dog groomer, and on my days off, I was working with YouTube trying to figure out what was going on. Beginning of May, I want to say, I can't remember, I think it was May 7th, is when the hacking situation got handled, and a few days after that, one of the main groomers at my work left. It was her last day. She was moving on to a different salon. And that was very stressful. And that's basically when my whole world basically took like a huge turn. So once, because the main groomer that was there was full-time, and once she left, I got bumped up to that main groomer position, and I immediately went to full-time. Now, since May, I think like the second week of May, I have been working 6 days a week, about 9-hour days. My only day off is Sunday. So I have been working a lot, quite a bit. And that is basically the main reason as to why I haven't been uploading any vlogs. Because there wasn't like a very easy transition into this full-time position. It was basically like I got hacked, I picked up an extra day at work, to going full-time. Like it was just all of like, even just thinking about it now, like the whole timeline is basically just blurred together. So that is what has been going on with me. That has been the big thing, is I just don't have time to vlog anymore, and I don't have anything to vlog, because if you guys were to look at my life from an outside perspective, this is how my weeks go. So Monday, through Saturday. I get up, I get to work, I work all day, I get home at around 5, 6 o'clock, I feed my dogs, I take a shower, I edit or upload a video to my YouTube channel, and I go to bed and I do it all over again the next day. So there really isn't anything, you know, exciting or worthwhile to vlog because there's just nothing to vlog. Like, my life is completely, you know, boring, it's routine, and, you know, yes, I could still vlog during the week, sure, but it would just get redundant, you know, and I really do like to record and upload, like, grooming footage or, you know, cute dogs or me grooming a dog, and I do like to put that kind of footage in my vlogs every once in a while, but having it, you know, all the time I don't think a lot of you guys would enjoy it, but that's what's been going on in my life. Now, recently, I've had a few days off of work because they're doing some renovations for the boarding kennels at my work, so we can't groom while there's all this loud noise, so I've had a few days off, and I was able to vlog my dog's 11th birthday, and I've been able to sit down and film and get caught up on some content for you guys. But as far as, like, the regular vlogs that I was doing, I don't know when I will be able to pick those back up. Now, don't get me wrong, there is nothing I want more in this life than to be able to vlog like I was before. There's just no time right now. So it's not like, you know, I stopped the vlogs for an unnecessary reason. Like, there is a reason why there haven't been vlogs, and it's always amazing to me because my vlogs on my channel do so incredibly well. Like, you guys love when I vlog. Vlogs do so well on my channel, and that is something that I'm, like, shocked by because I never thought I had a very exciting life, but it turns out that's what you guys like about my vlogs, is you like that they're not exciting. You like that it's not every other YouTuber's vlogs. You guys appreciate that I'm an everyday, normal, average person. And there's nothing I want more than to be able to pick up where I left off and start those vlogs again. Now, me working 6 days a week at work, it has been very tiring. It has been very exhausting. If you are a dog groomer, then you know that being a dog groomer is not sitting around playing with puppies all day. It is a lot of work. It is very stressful. It's very hard on the body. It's very tiring. While I have been enjoying it immensely, I've been getting so much practice. I've been putting out beautiful grooms that I'm really, really proud of. I'm exhausted. So, I mean, I enjoy what I do. I like working a lot. I am a workaholic, I guess you could say. I do miss my lazy days. I do miss my nap time. I don't really get nap time much anymore, but that's okay. While working 6 days a week has been good but tiring, it's not going to be permanent. I'm not going to be working 6 days a week for the rest of my life. That would be, I would die. Are in the process of trying to find another groomer so that way we can, you know, split the weeks, and that way I can have, you know, a couple days off during the week. So hopefully within the next few months, I should be able to get back to regular vlogging where, you know, I just take you guys about my life and, you know, business as usual, as I like to say. But that's basically what I've been up to. So if you've been noticing that I've been a little bit more quiet on social media, if you notice that there is a little bit more of a gap in between uploads, or if you do notice in my uploads that I seem a little bit down and tired and, you know, it's because I am tired, but I'm doing very, very well. I'm very happy. I love my job. I love what I do. I love dog grooming. It is so fun for me, and I enjoy the hell out of it. As far as, like, other things going on, there's a lot going on, like, with my family. I don't want to say too much because it's not really my place to, but my sister and her husband recently got their very first house, which is so exciting, so incredibly mind-boggling. I just, like, it's so cool. And I have been going over there and helping them, you know, paint and put stick and peel stuff and just doing little tiny projects all throughout their house and just trying to help them move along with the, like, moving in and getting settled process. It's a lot of work, but for the way the market is right now, my sister and my brother-in-law, which is so crazy to say, like, Wow, wild. They found a really nice house. It is beautiful. It is such a great first home for them. I'm so excited for them. It's just crazy to me how like me and my sister used to play house when we were kids, and now I'm helping her like get her very first house ready. Like, it's crazy. It is so crazy. So, coming up in August for my 28th birthday, I think me and my boyfriend are going to take a trip to somewhere where I have always wanted to go. And if you guys know me, you know exactly where I'm talking about. Maine! I have always wanted to go to Maine. For some reason, that state, for whatever reason, has always called to me. I always felt like I needed to go there. I needed to visit there. I needed to vacation there. You know, you name it. I need to go to Maine. We have some vacation time coming up where in August, I think we are going to take a week and we are going to drive to Maine and have a little vacation there, you know, go hiking, check out some really beautiful scenes, go out to some restaurants, some beaches, stay at different hotels. Like I'm really, really excited. What's the date today? It's the end of June that I'm filming this, so we have a little less than 2 months to kind of plan everything, and we haven't really planned anything yet because we've both just been so incredibly busy. We both work full-time jobs. Like, it's been kind of hard to officially plan anything, but we are pretty dead set on August. We are going to be going to Maine. I'm hoping to vlog a little bit of that trip, but I really don't want vlogging to be my main focus because I really want to just take it all in and want to be in the moment. Like, I'm going to Maine, and that's somewhere where I've always wanted to go. So, and then coming up for 4th of July weekend, me, my sister, my brother-in-law, my boyfriend, my best friend, and her boyfriend, we are all going out onto a pontoon, and we're gonna celebrate my birthday then, because every year for my birthday, my best friend will usually rent a pontoon for all of us to go on and just kind of day drink and party and swim and stuff like that. But since I'm going to Maine in August, we are going to be celebrating my birthday a little bit early, and we're going to do it on 4th of July weekend. We're going to be out on the pontoon. Stay tuned for some Instagram photos. Those are going to be some bomb-ass photos. I got a whole new bathing suit. Like, I'm excited. So there's just been a lot of, you know, planning, trips, work, uploading, dog birthdays, trips to Maine. Like, life has just been so incredibly crazy. I've been so blessed with you guys and YouTube and my job and just everything. Everything has been going so well that I almost feel like something has to go wrong. Like, getting hacked was incredibly traumatizing for me, but ever since then, things have been going so incredibly well. I will say, ever since getting hacked, I have felt myself kind of pull away from YouTube a little bit, just because it was so scary to me. And the way I kind of cope with things, this isn't exactly like a healthy thing to do, but when something bad or traumatic happens, I literally just kind of put a wall up and I kind of pull myself away. And it has been a little bit, like, I have been getting anxiety when I film, when I upload, when I log on to YouTube. I have been getting a lot of anxiety because I'm so afraid that one day I'm just going to log on and everything's going to be gone. Because I literally almost had that happen. And that was the scariest, most devastating thing. It was god-awful. So I have been, you know, kind of pulling back from YouTube a little bit. I mean, I've still been uploading and stuff, but I try not to think about it too much because I'm just so afraid of anything like that happening again. I'm slowly starting to come out of that. I feel like it's going to take a little bit longer, and it's just, I don't know. I feel like I'm rambling. Is this video making any sense? Because at this point, I really don't know. I just feel like I have so much to say and so much to talk to you guys about that I'm just kind of like just shooting it out all at once. But hopefully I can edit this to, you know, a point where it makes sense. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I have been, surprisingly, with everything going on with working 6 days a week, I have surprisingly and thankfully been keeping up on content. Like, I've been pre-recording, I've been, you know, editing like crazy. Even though I absolutely hate editing, I will use my nights to edit even when I don't want to. So I have been keeping up with a lot of things, and I've even been trying to keep up with comments and Instagram posts and tweets and my Facebook page. Like, it's been a lot of work, but I mean, like I said, I'm a workaholic and I enjoy what I do. I enjoy and I love YouTube, and I enjoy and I love dog grooming, and I've been keeping up with both. I'm pretty sure that is all that I have to update you guys on. I think the main thing is I just wanted to put a video out there discussing like where the vlogs have been, what I've been doing. That way I don't have to explain it separately to each person. I can just put one video out there, and hopefully you guys can see this and understand it, and I can tell a great majority of you rather than, you know, talking to each person individually. So one more thing that I wanted to update you guys on before I go is, if you guys remember a vlog, go figure, we're talking about a vlog from a while ago where I talked to you guys about how I am currently trying to save up for a new vehicle. I do not drive a new car. I do drive a 2002 Chevy Cavalier. I have for the last, let's see, 4 years now. I've had that car, and it's getting to the point now where, you know, little things are starting to go wrong with it, and, you know, it's going to get to the point where eventually that car just isn't going to run anymore. So I made this little chart thing, and I showed you guys in a vlog this little chart thing where I made this thing, and it's car money, $100 a week. My goal is around $8,000, and I am very pleased to say that I have been able to keep up with it. I do need to check off one more day because I did just do that. But yeah, I've actually been keeping up with it, and I'm very, very close to my goal, thank goodness. I'm very excited about that, but I am still shopping for a car. I'm definitely thinking about either Hondas or Toyotas or Nissans. Those are like my top 3 picks. I don't want to go Ford or Chevy. Ford and Chevy are just kind of like meh, in my opinion. I definitely want to go like the Toyota, Honda, Nissan route. But I wanted to give you guys an update on saving for a car because I know a lot of people have been asking about that as well. Now, are we talking like a 2021 brand new right off the lot car? No, girl, I can't afford that, okay? I have a very strict budget. I know what I can and I know what I cannot afford, and a brand new right off the lot car is something that I can't afford. So we are just going to get something a little bit newer, a little bit more reliable, and something that I can afford, because I don't want a car payment. I don't want to pay full coverage insurance, because that would be like a car payment and car insurance would be about the same, if not more, than my rent, and I don't want to do that. So I really just want to save up my money, buy something outright, and call it a day. So, and that is all that I wanted to update you guys on. I know this video wasn't anything exciting. I know it was probably boring. I know probably only a few of you are watching to this point right now. A lot of you don't really care, but that's okay. I'm recording it anyway for those of you who do care, and I appreciate you. But that has been everything going on in my life. Let me know down in the comments anything new that has been going on in your guys' life, like what's new, what's going on, any new jobs, new vehicles, trips, children, pets, anything. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to read it, and I love interacting with you guys. It is literally one of my favorite things. Hope you guys enjoyed this little life update. Hopefully there will be more vlogs again in the future. I will of course keep you updated on that as well. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and you would like to learn a little bit more about me, then make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. But as the rest of you, I love you guys oh so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!